Have you ever felt like you're always one step behind when it comes to making money online? Like the trends blow up only after everyone else has already cashed in? What if I told you there's finally a way to stay ahead, not behind, and actually ride the AI trend before it goes viral? That's exactly what AI Trend Flow Formula is built for. This isn't just another random AI course. It's a complete system that shows you how to catch exploding trends using AI, automate your content, and turn them into actual income streams, even if you're a total beginner. Whether you're on YouTube, TikTok, blogging, or doing affiliate marketing, this method adapts to any platform and taps into what's working right now. The best part? It's powered by tools you're already familiar with, like ChatGPT, Google Trends, and free automation platforms, but used in a way that almost nobody is doing yet. You'll learn to discover hidden content goldmines, rank fast, and scale without having to show your face or spend hours editing. And yes, you don't need to be a tech genius or a marketer. The training is super beginner-friendly and action-oriented, so you can follow along step-by-step and implement instantly. Now here's where it gets better. When you grab AI Trend Flow Formula through the link in the video description, you'll also get my exclusive bonus bundle packed with 10 premium trainings and tools worth hundreds of dollars. These include prompting essentials with ChatGPT, Canva Magic Studio, AI for SEO content, creating movies with AI, Midjourney mastery, and so much more, all designed to skyrocket your results even faster. But these bonuses are only available for a limited time. So if you've been waiting for something real, something that can finally put you ahead of the curve instead of chasing it, then now is the time to act. Click the link in the description, unlock AI Trend Flow Formula, and I'll see you on the inside.